嗨，各位同学今天我们又来 continue our progression OK， 学一点 solving problems involving arithmetic progression. Look at question number 1. Determine the number of terms in this series. OK， 有多少个 term 呢？一直到148P. First, what you should check is to check whether this is an AP or not, right? 8P 减 3P 咯13P minus 8P, you get 5P. So it forms an AP, right? So AP means we know the TN 是 A 加 N minus 1乘以 D 嘛，等于 we know the TN 最后面那个是 nth term 148P. So if you substitute the A and D, so you should be able to get 3P plus the substitute here, cancel off all the P, you solve this equation, one unknown, one equation solved, n equals to 30. That means you 30 terms here. Okay, this kind of question Now number 2, if the 5th and the 8th term of an AP are 31 and 19 respectively, find the first term and the common difference of the progression. So T5 equals to 31 and 19, right? Find the first term. So what do we know? A, we know T5 是 A plus 4D 咯，等于31 T8 呢是 A plus 7D 等于19 OK， 然后 solve these two equation 咯you minus, isn't it? 2 minus 1, you get 3D. 19 minus 31, you get negative 4. 然后呢这个already here A substitute D into A plus any one of these substitute into 1. Let's say negative 4 is your D, so can find A. A is 14. Okay, hence, so after this you're asked to determine the last term that has a value that exceeds negative 500. 就是说超过 negative 500 是哪一个 term 开始它就超过 negative 500. So what should we do? Determine the last term has value exceeds negative 500. A is our 47, D is negative 4. That means the TN 大过 negative 500. This is the one 它的意思，所以它要找那个 n 是哪一个 term 开始大过 negative 500. So you form an inequality. Alright, A replace 进去 A replace 47 n minus 1 D. Okay, so 47 then minus then minus 要这个 47 搬过来 negative 547 4n negative 4n and 4 minus minus plus. Alright, negative 4n 你看这边左边 negative 这个 4 搬过去也是 negative negative negative. I want to get n, I divide by negative 4. Here also divide by negative 4. When you divide or you multiply a negative number, 你的那个 sign 你 got to invert, 你就要把它颠倒过来 it becomes less. So that means n 是 less than 137.75. n should take a positive integer, right? So n equals to 137. You can counter check. T137 means A plus n minus 1就是136 times D. 你看它的 value negative 497. That means 它是 exceed 超过 negative 500了。是 the last term that has a value exceeds negative 500. 如果这个呢这个就 less than T138 呢 the next one would be negative 501. That means 它少过 negative 500. Alright. Example 3. The nth term of an arithmetic progression given by this. 这个是 TN. N 就是代表它的 term. T1 means 2 minus 7 times 1. 这样的意思咯 the nth term given by this Tn equals to 2 minus 7n. So you are asked to find, say, the first term. First term is what? T1, no? A equals to T1. That means just substitute the 1 into n. N equals to 1, negative 5. Alright? The common difference how to find? 就是 T2 minus T1, isn't it? Already told you is an AP. So very sure. So T2 怎么找? So replace n with 2. You get negative 12. You haven't got your D yet, you know. D, you have to use T2 minus T1. That's it. Your negative 7. Okay? 应该不会很难哦，这些是 simple questions. Example 4, given an arithmetic progression 这样的 9 to negative 3 越来越小越来越小 find the smallest value of n such that the nth term is less than negative 100. What is the 最小的那个 n term 第一个就是 less than negative 500 了。So AP 它已经跟你讲 is an AP. So we straight away can say this is A equals to 9. The D is 2 minus 9, negative 7. Okay? 我们要它 n term less than negative 100. So 就是这个咯 Tn less than negative 100. Substitute into the formula. Okay, you solve this. 小心的 solve. Again, you see negative and negative. When you divide by a negative number, you invert. 就变成大过16点多. So n has to be 17. 不是16 You can check T17 是什么? Substitute the value. You get negative 103. 第一个 number less than negative 100的就是这个第17个 term. Things like this. With this, with what we have learned, 那个 n term 是 a plus n minus 1, we can solve many problems. Okay? Your workbook, Nilam workbook. Hey, sorry, there's a mistake here. Page 91. Please solve this. Okay? Can you? Yes, we can. Right? Nilam 写错了，对不起。Yes, we can. Please solve this. Finish this. Okay, that's it. If you like it, you subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again.